What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing you another lifetime deal right down below. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. It's Ahsuite. When we get into it, I'm going to tell you why you need this, how I'm so lucky to get you this deal, and how much you're going to save. Let's get straight in. Here we go, guys. It's Ahsuite. All right, ashuite.com, link down below. The link down below is a lifetime deal. Now, do not click get the pricing on here. I'm going to show you why and why that link down below is the best one. So what is it? It's clean and simple client portals. All right, it's going to have everything in one, so it's super environmental friendly for you. All right, one place for sharing task files, password presentations, and data studio reports. Now, you can get a free trial, but I'm going to show you why down below you can actually get better than just a month free trial. Now, it gives your clients a downtown agency experience. It lets you keep all your communication organized so nothing gets missed or lost. There's nothing worse than that. All right, the clients will appreciate the structure and professionalism, and you will be able to spend less time running your agency and more time designing. So you have reports and presentations, so you no need to keep sending links over email anymore. All right, send it embedded. We have the tasks. So as you can see on the left here, it's got the task center. It has everything you need to manage complex projects, checklists, templates, labels, dependency attachments, calendar views, and more. Now the file management. Look how easy it is. Look how smooth it is. Decides which files require client approval, such as agreements, approves, custom labels, search, marketing agencies. Your password management suite. I like this dark tone here. Really cool. They got their work journal, so everything's in there. You can keep track of who's done what all the way through the work. Now, why should you replace your current patchwork? Now, listen, yes, there's an app for everything, but every single program has its own learning curve. It has permission settings, its own costs, its own set restrictions, its own tools, supposed to speed up your internet, slowing you down, all right? That's why Ahsuite have replaced it with one patchwork. They have integrated, so it's a one login, one subscription, easy interface, an all-in-one solution for you and your business, easy to use, so it's designed from the ground up to be simple and initiative. It gives you the functionality you need without the clutter you don't, and economical, so everything's in one app. Now, guys, what's going to happen when you click start trial? All right, it's going to take you to the pricing. Now, I know that this pricing looks okay. All right, so professional, you got $30 a month, unlimited client portals, task files, password manager. Agency, you're actually getting all of this, plus the white label and custom domain, unlimited sub accounts for your employees, and for $170, all the benefits of the agency plus unlimited landing pages. That sounds fantastic. Now, as you can see here on the right, it says monthly fee. What if I tell you that link down below is actually going to get you a lifetime deal? So you're going to pay one time and you get everything that I've just discussed on this video. All right, so let's compare them together. I'm going to click the link now. I'll see you there. So this is the page you get to when it goes to the link, right? If you just click on view plan deals, this is what you're going to get. So lifetime access to Ahsuite, all future professional codes. You must redeem them within 60 days of purchase. So once you click buy now, which you will have done after this video, just do it within 60 days. You can stack up free codes. It's GDPR compliant. And if you are already an Appsumo customer, you can still get involved. Now, 60-day money back guarantee. Look what this says when we compare it. Choose your plan. You have to pay first, unlock a free month of limited client portals. That's cool. You get 1 month. We give you 2 months if you click that link down below. Now, unlimited clients, unlimited users for your clients, restricted iframes, customized menu tabs, client auto logins, assign tasks to your client or team, build task sequences, task calendar, task dependent, subtask, file manager and no storage limit, client file approval, file version and team password, work journals, optional public profile with lead capture, search from the network collaborators. Now, look at the prices we have. So you get all professional plan features, one landing pages. I know what you're thinking, one's not enough. You can get unlimited sub counts, white label, custom domain added on with a double. That's 156. Look at the price if you want the top one with the unlimited landing pages. And notice how many things this gives you. Let's compare that to their top one. So $170 a month gets you all these packages with an extra unlimited landing pages. We get all agencies plus unlimited landing pages, unlimited sub accounts, white labeling, custom domain, email signature generator, 5 premium templates for $234. Do you know how much that saves you in 1 year? $2,088 rather than clicking on the website and click and get it. Now, that's 1 year. Every single month for the rest of your life, you will only have ever paid that one purchase from listening to me, $234. That is a no-brainer, guys. You cannot get better than that. You're literally saving thousands and thousands of dollars. If you're going to have this longer than 10 years, which you probably will, you're saving hundreds of thousands of dollars, all right? It's got 9 days, 20 hours, 53 minutes, 54 seconds as I'm speaking left, all right? So please get in before September the 9th at 2 p.m. and get on this. All you got to click is buy now, right? $234 for the top package, saving $2,088. And that's going away from their website and clicking our link down below. Now, guys, this is incredible. And the reason I stress you got to click the links down below in these videos is because there is a reason we are a popular channel. These links save you thousands of pounds, all right? It's not there to try and trick you. I literally compare it to the website, to the actual link. I show you me clicking it and show you how much you can save, right? It's incredible. Ahsuite is incredible also, right? Even if we didn't have a link, I would still pay the full price for it because it is insane. Everything's in one. You don't have to worry about having so many apps. I've looked at my iPhone all the time, all the apps all around it. This is one app. It sorts it all out for you. So if you like this, hit the like button. If you love it, hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the very next video.